With 5,611 cases in the last 24 hours, India's tally of coronavirus infections on Wednesday rose to 1,06,750. At least 3,303 people have died due to the disease. Meanwhile, a meeting of the Union Cabinet takes place today amid the COVID-19 crisis. Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan is set to take charge as the chairman of the World Health Organization Executive Board on May the 22nd. According to reports, the proposal to appoint India's nominee to the Executive Board was signed by 194-nation World Health Assembly on Tuesday. Dr. Harsh Vardhan is at the forefront of India's fight against the COVID-19. Cyclone Amphan is set to make landfall today by late evening near Sundarbans in West Bengal. It has now moved closer to the mainland. The extremely severe cyclonic storm will impact north coastal districts of Odisha, which will experience heavy rainfall, and West Mednipur, South and North 24 Parganas, Howrah, Hooghly and Kolkata districts of West Bengal will see very heavy to extremely heavy rains. Lakhs of people in West Bengal and Odisha have been evacuated from vulnerable areas. A vaccine developed by US pharmaceutical company Moderna has shown promising results in clinical trials. The vaccine relies on mRNA technology. mRNA has the genetic code to make a particular protein. This vaccine codes for the spike protein, which is a distinguishable feature of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. So even in the absence of an attenuated virus, the body learns what the virus looks like and prepares antibodies to build immunity against a potential infection. Tensions continue to simmer in Ladakh and Sikkim sectors of the line of actual control, where India and China have deployed additional troops, days after scores of Indian and Chinese soldiers were involved in a tense face-off along the India-China boundary. Tensions flared after scores of soldiers from the two countries clashed near Pangong Lake in eastern Ladakh on the night of May 5th to 6th, while about 150 soldiers were involved in another standoff in North Sikkim on May the 9th. Nepal Prime Minister KP Oli reiterated that the Kalapani, Lampiadora, Lipulek area in the tri-junction of Nepal, India and Chinese Tibet will be brought back within Nepal's map at any cost. The Indian Army Chief earlier, Manoj Naravne, had suggested that Nepal Prime Minister's protests were being done at China's behest. PM Oli responded saying, "Everything we do is self-guided." Researchers are finding evidence that patients who test positive for the coronavirus after recovering aren't capable of transmitting the infection and could have the antibodies that prevent them from falling sick again. Scientists from the Korean Centers for Disease Control and Prevention studied 285 COVID-19 survivors who tested positive after their illness and found that these former patients were shedding dead virus particles.